Today you will learn how you can easily block all the ads on Microsoft Edge browser. That's quite simple and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, to block all the ads on Microsoft Edge, first of all you will have to open Microsoft Edge on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android or an iPhone as well. Now once you're on this page, you will have to click on those three dots, three lines on the bottom right corner. Then click on settings. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way and you will have to click on site settings. And on this page you will be able to find an option of block ads. You'll have to tap on it, and by default it would be turned off, and it says that AdBlock Plus is a third-party entity that helps you to customize your web experience. You can block annoying ads, disable tracking, and lots more. So all you would have to do is to turn this on, and now you would be able to block all the ads on any websites, that the ads that take you to a new tab or anything like that, pop-up ads also. I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.